Up above where we're looking there at the drums, that's Count Ozzy
Okay.
and the mystic revelation of Rastafari.
Yeah.
There's a
Yeah.
drum that signs his name. They sign it right here.
Never see that.
All the major players in the music, they are not the singers, they are the producers. And flanked around Bonnie Lee in the middle, this is Cox Dad from Studio One. This is the man who built the first sound system in Jamaica, Thomas Wong, the great Sebastian. Right? And this is Cecil Buster Martin, Prince Buster. And on the other side is Duke Reed, Chris Blackwell in the middle, the gentleman from Palmer Records there, and Byron Lee, Edward Siaga. Wow, I think he's been underrated, undercredited for what he has done to the music.
And the culture.
And the culture, right?
He was big in revivalism and the whole.
But he was the one who wrote the book about revivalism.
Right, yes, I remember that book.
Right, and he also
saved
Devon
House
He did a lot.
from going down.
Yeah.
And he did a lot of other things, also creating the World, which is West Indies Recording Limited. And, and he sold it to Byron Lee, and Byron Lee turned it into Dynamic Sounds.
On Bell Road.
On Bell Road. Today there is no Dynamic Sound anymore.
The building is still
is still there, but nobody's in there. There's no operation going on inside.
Which, I mean, that is why you can keep these things going. So not just I think the love of the music pass on, and it's okay, the love of preserving things.
The legacy.
The legacy. And
I can attest to that, like with Channel 1, with the Hookin brothers. Once Joseph died, Channel 1 went on.
Yes.
So we find it with a lot of the older men that were in the music, and they have passed on. There is nothing to show about them, and it's really sad. Like Veer Johns, this gentleman here, Veer Johns, he was involved in an opportunity hour that he would have put on at the Ambassador Theatre in Trenchtown.
That was where Millie Smith.
That's where they found her.
She was Chris Blackwood.
Yes.
She did my
Yes.